The ZIIP Halo can increase your skincare absorption by 120%. The gels are designed to be the conduit to help that microcurrent go into your skin. Hi, I'm Molly and welcome back to my channel. Welcome here if it's your first time. In today's video, I am going to help you find the right gel for your skin. We are going to break down all of the different gels from ZIIP Beauty. This is part of my ongoing partnership with them to answer all of your questions, as I have been a long-term user of the ZIIP device. We're going to go over the product details, the texture, and then the ingredients. Each of these gels are 2.7 ounces. In your starter set, you get a 1.7 ounce container. You can see that's a little bit teenier than the full size. ZIIP has just launched their Discovery set, where you can get 3 mini size 30 milliliter containers of each of the gels. I do have a link for you below the video. You will get a free Discovery set with your purchase of the ZIIP Halo. This is for a limited time, so if you've been thinking about grabbing the ZIIP and you don't want to wait for Black Friday, this is the time, because you can use my discount code and you get the Discovery set for free. The Electric Complex retails for $29.99. We also have the Crystal Gel, which retails for $79.99. The Silver Gel, also $79.99. And the Golden Gel, and this retails for $129.99. In the Discovery set, it retails for $99.99. Texture. This makes a big difference for me. The two thinnest textures are going to be your Electric Complex and your Crystal Gel. These are on the thinner side. The two thicker gels are your Silver Gel and your Golden Gel. I prefer the thicker texture. I've noticed that sometimes when I use the thinner gels, I will feel the microcurrent a little bit more on my skin. Things can start to feel just a little bit more, I don't want to say prickly because I don't feel prickly, but I can just feel the microcurrent more, whereas when I use the thicker gel, I don't really feel anything, and this is my preference. I do recommend, even if you also prefer a thicker gel, hold on to this mini travel size, because this Electric Complex is the base of all their other gels. So you can mix this in with your other gels and stretch the other gels for longer if you'd like. And I also just love this size because it's a great travel size. The ZIIP Electric Complex is their core formula. This has pharmaceutical grade glycerin and it will not dry down on your skin. I did test out a few other brands of gel just because I did get a lot of questions on whether or not you had to use the ZIIP gel specifically, or you could substitute in another gel. The ZIIP Electric Complex was ZIIP's answer to that. This is their lowest price gel. It's made with the same base, it just does not have the skincare actives that the other gel has. This also contains a sugar complex. Sugar, I did not realize this, I learned something new, is one of the most conductive materials on Earth. And it also contains dehydrated seawater. So you're getting all of the minerals from that. That is the ZIIP Electric Complex. Really nice gel. Like I mentioned, I just prefer a thicker texture, but sometimes if I'm just doing one of the quick 4-minute routines, I'll use this and not use one of the pricier gels. Next up, we have the Crystal Gel. This is ZIIP's answer to their customer's request for an organic gel. This Crystal Gel is designed to give you maximum glow. Usually you'll see some of these results the same day, but I personally feel like I see the most results the day after I do the facials. The ingredient that is responsible for the glow is glutathione. This calms skin. It's a great ingredient if you have eczema or skin redness, and I have noticed an increased glow with using the Crystal Gel. So if you are looking for more organic ingredients or you have sensitive skin, including eczema, this might be the right pick for you. Next up is the Silver Gel. This is my personal favorite gel, and here's why. This gel is intended for major hydration. The Silver Gel contains hyaluronic acid from Japan, as well as cucumber, aloe, and crushed pearl. So you will get a nice glow with the Silver Gel as well. I just noticed my skin looks so much smoother immediately after and the next day. So if you also are looking for major hydration, this is going to be the right gel for you. If you're looking to smooth out fine lines and really get a nice skin plump, again, I think you're you're gonna love the silver gel. Out of all of the gels, this is the one that I keep going back to. I love it so much. And last but not least is the golden gel. This is ZIIP's OG gel, and this is a really gorgeous gel for mature skin. It has been made to bump up collagen. This contains bioplacenta with 5 different growth factors. It also is not just called the golden gel for fun. It has 24 karat gold. It also has hematite, which helps your skin create collagen. If you have mature skin and you're really looking for a major collagen boost in addition to what the ZIIP Halo does for you, this is going to be your pick. Like I mentioned earlier, this is a thicker gel, which is nice. I really like the texture of the golden gel. For some reason, it does break me out, so I cannot use this one, but I do get that nice texture with the silver gel. I hope that this really helps this breakdown. If you are still wanting to try them for yourself, this is, as mentioned, the Discovery set. It retails for $99.99, and it has 3 of the different gels in 1 ounce sizes. So you are going to get the crystal gel, the golden gel, and the silver gel. As I mentioned, I do have a link that for a limited time you can get this for free if you're purchasing your ZIIP Halo for the first time. And you can also use my code, and that saves you 10% off in addition to getting this set for free. I hope that this was really helpful in trying to figure out which of the gels might work for you ingredients-wise, texture-wise, and what fits in your budget. And make sure, if you have any additional questions, ask below, because that is what I'm here for. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video.